Unlock the secrets to growing dragon fruit at home. A beginner's guide. Ever dreamed of harvesting your own exotic dragon fruit? It's easier than you think. Join us as we unveil the simple steps to cultivate this vibrant fruit right in your backyard or even indoors. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your dragon fruit growing prowess. Dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, is a tropical fruit that's as beautiful as it is delicious. It's a member of the cactus family and thrives in warm climates. These stunning fruits come in various colors, from vibrant pink to sunny yellow, with flesh that ranges from white to deep red. The taste is often described as a subtle blend of kiwi and pear, making it a refreshing treat. Selecting the right dragon fruit variety is crucial for success. Some varieties are self-pollinating, while others require cross-pollination. American Beauty and Hylocereus undatus are popular self-pollinating options, perfect for beginners. If you're feeling adventurous, try cross-pollinating varieties like Physical Graffiti and Dark Star for a potentially larger harvest. Consider your local climate when choosing a variety. Some are more cold-hardy than others. Dragon fruit needs well-draining soil and plenty of sunlight. A cactus mix or a blend of potting soil, perlite, and sand works wonders. Plant your dragon fruit in a large pot or directly in the ground, ensuring it has a sturdy support structure like a trellis or post. These plants are climbers. Choose a location that receives at least 6-8 hours of sunlight per day. Dragon fruit loves the sun. When planting, gently remove the dragon fruit from its container and loosen the roots. Place it in the prepared soil, ensuring the top of the root ball is level with the soil surface. Water thoroughly after planting, and then allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Overwatering is a common mistake that can lead to root rot. Fertilize your dragon fruit with a balanced fertilizer every month during the growing season. This will encourage healthy growth and abundant fruit production. Dragon fruit prefers infrequent but deep watering. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. During the growing season, spring and summer, fertilize regularly with a balanced fertilizer. Reduce watering and fertilization during the dormant season, fall and winter. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can burn the roots. Follow the instructions on your fertilizer label carefully. Pruning is essential for maintaining the shape and health of your dragon fruit plant. Remove any dead or damaged branches regularly. Train your dragon fruit to grow up its support structure by gently tying the stems to the trellis or post. This will help it climb and produce more fruit. Prune back any excessive growth to encourage branching and fruit production. A well-pruned plant will be more productive. If you've chosen a self-pollinating variety, you're in luck. However, some varieties require hand pollination to produce fruit. Use a small paintbrush to transfer pollen from the stamen, male part, to the pistil, female part, of the flower. Do this in the evening when the flowers are fully open. Hand pollination can significantly increase your fruit yield, especially with non-self-pollinating varieties. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Dragon fruit is relatively pest-resistant, but keep an eye out for common garden pests like aphids and mealybugs. Treat infestations with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Root rot is a common problem caused by overwatering. Ensure your soil is well-draining and avoid overwatering. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of disease or pests. Early detection is key to preventing serious problems. Dragon fruit is typically ready to harvest about 30-50 days after flowering. The fruit will turn a vibrant color, and the wings or bracts will begin to dry out. Gently twist the fruit from the stem. If it comes off easily, it's ripe. Enjoy your homegrown dragon fruit fresh, in smoothies, or as a beautiful garnish. Yellowing leaves can indicate overwatering or nutrient deficiency. Adjust your watering schedule and fertilize accordingly. Lack of fruit production can be due to insufficient sunlight, improper pollination, or inadequate fertilization. Review your growing conditions and make adjustments as needed. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Growing dragon fruit takes patience and observation. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to grow your own delicious and exotic dragon fruit at home. It's a rewarding experience that brings a touch of the tropics to your garden. Ready to embark on your dragon fruit growing journey? Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.